Welcome back to our Health Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips, and suggestions on how to live a healthier and happier life using natural methods and remedies. If you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel and be sure to click the like and share button. Coconut curry chicken. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 medium red onion, chopped, 2 large shallots, minced kosher salt, 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 teaspoons freshly grated ginger, 2 tablespoon curry powder, 2 tablespoon tomato paste, 13 ounces can coconut milk, 2 water, 2 pounds boneless, skinless chicken breast, cut into 1 pieces, juice of 1/2 lime, lime wedges, 4 serving, mint leaves, torn, 4 serving, cilantro leaves, torn, 4 serving, cooked rice, 4 serving. Step number 1. In a large pot or high-sided skillet over medium heat, heat oil and butter. When butter is melted, add onion and shallots and cook until tender and translucent, 6 to 8 minutes. 2. Add garlic, ginger, and curry powder and cook until fragrant, 1 minute more. Add tomato paste and cook until darkened slightly, 1 to 2 minutes more. 3. Add coconut milk and water and bring to a simmer. Add chicken and cook, stirring occasionally, until chicken is cooked through, 6 to 8 minutes. 4. Stir in lime juice and garnish with mint and cilantro. Serve hot with rice. If you like our channel, share with your friends. Press the like button and let us know if you like this receipt. Check the description below to see our favorite products. Until next time. And remember, a healthy life is a happy life.